LAPD 911, operator 415.
CHP, with a transfer, go ahead.
Yes, thank you. Hi, I have an emergency, please. I have my
What's the
son.
address?
He has 14 Foothill Boulevard apartment. It's in Silmar, California, 91342. He has schizophrenia and he's out of control.
What is he doing?
Yeah, he's threatening my husband and me, and he just beat me with a stick, very strong, and he's threatening us.
Where's he at right now?
He has a warrant. I'm in the car.
No, where is he? Where is he?
He is in my apartment.
Okay.
He has a warrant.
Okay, and is he, what's his name?
Carlos.
Pablo what?
Carlos.
Okay, could you spell his name for me, please?
Sure. Carlos.
Uh-huh.
Zepeda, Z-E-T as in Paul, L-O, I'm sorry, Z-E-P-E-D-A, Carlos Zepeda.
Okay, and how old is he?
He's 29.
Is he black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's Hispanic.
What color shirt and pants is he wearing?
He's wearing a black shirt and a black pants.
And he's in the apartment right now?
Yes, he's very, very sick.
And he's diagnosed with schizophrenia?
With schizophrenia, yes.
Okay.
Yes, and he has a warrant. You know, he's out of control. He's not taking his medication, and I'm afraid for my life and my husband.
He has a warrant for his arrest?
Yes, because he failed parole.
Okay.
He started doing meth, so he never did it again before.
He's under the influence of meth as well?
I don't know right now, but he's been on it. You know, he's been in the street, and he barely came today.
So he's possibly under the influence of drugs?
Maybe, yes.
Okay, so what happened today?
He forced himself in, you know, I guess. I was sleeping. And then, you know, right now I just told him, you know, not to close the doors because he locked everything and closed the windows and everything. And I told him, he got mad and he said that he was going to stick, you know, that stick in my vagina. And, you know, he was going to drink my blood. He was saying all these things, and then he hit me with a stick in my back, and I just got out of the house.
LA City 911, operator 225.
Please send a police patrol, please, to 14 Foothill Boulevard, apartment. I'll be outside waiting for you.
What's going on there, sir?
Well, my son attacked my wife.
Okay, does your wife need paramedics?
The house. Well, not yet, but she hasn't been. I was taking a shower.
Uh-huh.
You know, I got out of the shower and I hear all the commotion. She hit it bad.
Okay, what's the address, sir?
Oh, Lord. 14 Foothill Boulevard, apartment. I'll be outside waiting for you.
Well, don't wait outside because it could take them a little while to get there. What's the entrance code for the building?
There's no go right now. Like I said, I'm here. He's in the apartment.
That's not what I asked. What's the entry code for the building, sir?
There's no entry code. I'm outside. Really.
Okay. And your son, what's his name?
Carlos.
Carlos? How old is he?
Yeah. He's 29. Yeah. He has a schizophrenia. He has a warrant, too. He shouldn't be in the house. You know.
He doesn't live there?
No. He's homeless.
He's homeless. Okay. Do you have a restraining order?
No, I don't. But like I said, he's my wife. Stick, with a big stick.
Okay. And you're saying no to paramedics?
No, not yet.
Okay. Where is he now?
He's in the apartment. I was able to get out of there. He tried to attack me.
What's your name? And your phone number?
Don't tell the police to put the sirens, please.
Well.
Don't just go quiet here, please. Because he's going to be aware.
So you left him in the apartment with his mother, and he's armed with a stick, and he's already assaulted her?
No, my wife was able to get out.
Oh, okay. All right. The officers will be there as soon as they can.
How is it going to take these? You know, I keep telling you, repeating myself. It's serious.
The officers will be there as soon as they can, sir. Any mission unit, ADW, suspect 14 Foothill Boulevard, apartment to the PR outside location. Will direct. Suspect is a male, Hispanic, 29 years. Suffers from mental illness. and armed with a unknown type stick, still inside the residence. Code 2 and 2251 or 1904.
So, but what happened today, though? So what happened today?
He came in. He broke in basically the house.
He doesn't live there?
No, he's homeless. He doesn't have a key or anything. He just broke. He had a glass door, so it's easy for him.
He broke inside,
Yeah, he broke inside easy. Okay. So, we try to mellow things down because I know, he's also trying to take.
Want to get eyes on the front door first?
What was that?
Want to get eyes on the front door?
No, I think we're good right now.
And then he was cool for a minute. And then he brought the stick in. I served him food. I even tried to ease him down, but I went to take a shower. I told my wife, I'm going to take a shower right now. I didn't feel comfortable.
Yeah,
and my wife left early to drop off our other son at work, so I stayed with him. So I make sure everything's cool. I told him, I'm going to take you wherever you need to go. I said, right. But once I went in the shower, I was trying to, I heard screaming. So my wife left, and I'm hurried, but once I get out, he tried to hit me. He said, hey,
What?
he tried to hit me with the stick, but I said, wait, what the hell are you doing? I'm going to hit you. Don't you leave? I said, no, let me change. So I was on the couch. But he hit my wife. He got bit her.
She hit him in the back with a...
Yeah.
Why did he hit her? Just... He's a little... mental illness?
He had suffered mental illness for a long time.
Uh-huh.
And he's not receiving treatment. That's the worst part,
So he was able to break into the front door of the house?
Yeah, we have a balcony.
What's his name again?
Carlos.
Uh-huh.
We have a balcony.
He hit you with a stick?
Hit his wife.
Your wife?
Yes.
Where's your wife right now?
In the parking lot.
Does she need medical attention?
Hopefully she will. I can take her, but she had a big moose. He detects pictures. I go to press surgery.
Yeah, of course. Alright, you want to cover? So keep pointing, and I'm gonna unlock it.
Huh?
Alright, just go.
Carlos! Hey! Relax!
Hey Carlos, we just want to talk, man. Hey, redeploy though, redeploy. Hey, come on down. Redeploy, yeah. Hey, come on down. Hey Carlos, we just want to talk, man. You need to set the stick down. Hey Carlos, we just want to talk. We need to talk to you, man.
Yeah.
Hey, you gotta set the stick down.
He might have locked it.
You might have what?
He might have locked it.
He's at the door.
He's still messing around with it, so.
Hey, Carlos, Los Angeles Police Department. We need to talk to you, man. Set the stick down. Come out with your hands up. I can't hear you, man. Can you open the door so we can hear you? Alright, hurry up, quick. You gotta run. Run. Carlos, we need to talk to you, man. Set the stick down so we can talk. Hey, if you open the door and set the stick down, we can talk to you. And we can figure out what's going on. Carlos, we're here to help you, man, but we need to see you. I can't hear you. Why are you gonna do that, man? We're here to help you. Hey, we need to help you.
Yeah, that's the great you come at me.
Yeah.
Well, I think it's a matter of now making phone calls.
Yeah. Let's let me call Washington.
Hey, can we use your belt?
I had an axe for a second.
It looked like a stick to me. I couldn't really tell.
No, it's a stick. It's a stick.
Because
Once I got backed up and I got a better angle, it was just a weak little stick.
I was just going to say distance and have somebody up there.
When he first popped the door, he was literally right there waiting for us to open the door.
I heard him say, "Tell you or kill you?"
Say I'm gonna kill you.
Yeah. So.
Hey, Carlos! What's going on? Why are you so upset?
There's no exit on the backside,
Yeah.
so the only exit is this and this here. So we'll
Carlos,
see
can
it
you at least
wherever
open
we're
the
at.
door so we can talk?
And we have more time back then. You want to back up?
Right.
You want to back up? Yeah, well, knives, no firearms or anything like that.
Yeah, that was a big stick.
I think it's a bigger deal with because I hate skating here if there's any sort of.
There's no firearms. I already talked to them. There's no firearms, just knives.
He already confirmed. He asked me.
Yeah. I asked him two different times.
Just see like, hey, so I'm out here on Foothill Boulevard.
Hey, so if he pops that door,
I'm thinking we should bump
we're good
down.
for a 40. We're good for a 40.
5150
He already made that approach.
Yeah, he came at me.
Real good.
come into.
Yeah.
Come back?
Yeah.
Let him come back first. You come back completely as soon as he's done, then you back up.
Whack mom on the
Does he
back
feel
with a stick, and
comfortable
now he's
first?
very good.
At this point, I kind of like a taser.
He's not going anywhere though.
Yeah, Taurus has a good point.
He's not going anywhere.
Yeah, so he's basically not coming out. It's a second floor apartment. He's still saying
The way we
Yeah.
heard that.
Here's a hopper.